Hi, my name is Evan, and today we're going to be showing you how to draw an eagle. So first, you're going to draw a capsule. 2 lines right here, and then little curves, like that. So then you're going to add some feathers, so like this. Like a little egg is hatching. Then you're going to add some feathers up here. And then a tail. Then you're going to draw his beak like an anchor. Then you're going to make it pointy. And come up and make a smile. So then to finish the beak, you're going to go like this. Then you got his beak. So then you're going to make his eyes like that, and then then you got your eagle shape. So then you're going to make his wings. Like that. Then you're going to make the other one. Like that. And then we're going to draw his feet. Like that. Then you're going to draw this side. Then you got yourself an eagle. And then you can erase this line right here. And then you got your eagle. Remember, keep drawing.